I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is LifterLMS. Select a task and select a course. Click Next. Now here search and select MailPoet. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. Click on Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Choose a list from the drop-down. Now do the field mapping. Here's the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to MailPoet. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your course page and click Sign Me Up. Now click here to log in. Now click the Enroll Now to enroll in the course. The course has been successfully enrolled. Now navigate to MailPoet. Then go to Subscribers. Here is the data that came into MailPoet through the integration. Thanks for watching.